Hello friends and traders, welcome you all to your channel Big Bull Trading. Today in this video I am going to share with you another Bank Nifty strategy. For this strategy we are using a 5 minutes time frame and we are working on a specific candlestick pattern. That candlestick pattern is required, without that this strategy will not work. And one more thing I want to just share at the starting only, if you are already a profitable trader, you can skip this video, because if you are already following any set of rules or targets, whatever strategies, and if you are end of the day profitable, please continue with the same. But if you are a beginner or you are still struggling, you can see the video till the end. Hopefully you will gain some knowledge. Then you can backtest it for 3 or 4 months. Then you can forward test it in the live markets without money, means you just follow in the live markets how it works, and then you can paper trade. And finally, if you feel this is working for you, you can trade with one lot only to gain the confidence, because the business of trading does not comes in 1 or 2 days. It requires some experience and patience and time. Then only you can be successful in this business. So without wasting, I will just explain you the strategy. For this we are needing a candlestick pattern which is named as the shooting star. It can be either red or it can be either green. Any one will work, but this type of pattern is required. This is the best condition of the shooting star. But even if it is not perfectly shooting star and the tail is more than 50%, then also you can consider, and with experience it will be more easy for you to identify this pattern. Suppose here I will show you. First, on this day, on the 7th March it happened. Okay, how I take out 7th March? Because most of the times these are the strategies which I follow, and whenever it happens I always keep a note of those things. So I always also backtest it, whichever date it happens, how much gain I can make. So this will give you a confidence. Then only you will be believing more on the system. For this we are using a 5 minutes time frame, and the first candle only is valid. So first 5 minutes candle you see a shooting star, so you mark the low of this candle. This is the index chart, and based on this we can take the trade on the options. So on the options we will be buying the put. Since we are shorting the market, so we have to buy the put since we are option buyers. So if you see from here, if we have taken the short the trade here, we get a point of around 217 points in this trade. So this is what 217, but approx I will just explain you what is the stop loss and how much is the target. For stop loss, generally we can keep from 50 to 100 points on the index chart. On average 70 point stop loss. If it is lower stop loss, if you want, you can keep it as 50 points and maximum 100 points. No point of taking a stop loss of more than 100 points, but on some occasions it can vary, but as a beginner 50 to 70 points is more than enough. And for target, your target should be at least 1:1, so it should be 80 points your first target. Second target can be 130 points, and gradually you can trail. So in this trade, if you take the trade, so your stop loss is around 70 points, your stop loss is not hit and you get the profit. So this is how it works. So if we go in the back side, you see this day, this one we cannot take the trade. Why? Because the candle is less than 50%. At least the candle should be 50% or 60%, then it's a very good chance of this trade. So we will go in the previous date, and again you see this is exact type of pin bar what we are looking for. You see, this is what I showed you, and this is how it works. So we keep the stop loss here. Our stop loss is 73 points here. We are keeping if we keep 100 point stop loss, we make a big profit. Otherwise, what you can do, friends, I will tell you one more thing. You keep a 70 point to 100 point stop loss. For example, if it goes, this comes down, then it goes up, then again when it breaks this low, you can take the trade, the second trade, but with a strict money management. One more thing also I want to tell you. Suppose you are trading every day 100 quantity with 50 point stop loss, correct? So today you think your stop loss is bigger, that is 100 point is your stop loss. So what you do, you just change the quantity to 50 point. So the per day limit of loss should be fixed, it should not be going up or down. Then only in the long term you can be a profitable trader. If we go on the second, see the same thing, it happened here. I will, in this one you will get a very good example. See, this is what I am keeping this, sorry, I will just put the, this is our entry point. If we make the entry here, so you see first we get a point of around 80 points, so we could book the profit here if you are following this rules, or you see it goes 66 points. So the stop loss is not yet hit and it comes down, it gives 186 points. So this is how you should trade with the stop loss and target together. And remember one thing, no strategy is 100% successful. There will be some times where it will not work. There are many other days also where these strategies work. I will just show you, because I keep a note of every thing which happens in the market. See here, this is again the perfect shooting star what I showed you here. The same thing happened. You just take the trade here with a stop loss, see only it goes 30 points above and you get a very good of 218 points profit. Though even if you don't catch 218, you just think of gaining 80 points, 130 points, like that, then also you could make a profit. A small step every day will help you to go a long way, correct? So you should follow it in like this way. I will show you one more, 16th, the last one. See this one again, it happens. If you take the trade here, you get 147, 175 points. I told you first is 80 points and then is the 130 points. So again you book a profit, but sometimes you can hit the stop loss also. So friends, if you like this video, please share it with the other members so many others can benefit from this video. So and like also the video. So as of now for today, thank you and bye bye.